All right, this is a short video on Mercedes W203s. As you can see here, the AC compressor, that one went bad. You can see right here. So I think the clutch might have gotten stuck. So in the meantime, we actually decided to get a different belt, a shorter belt, and this is the size. This is the kind of belt that you want. And I think the last number says what the length of it. So it's I think it's a 90 inch. So as you can see here, how the belt is routed, it's bypassing the AC compressor. So right here, you can tell. So if you're in a situation where your AC compressor goes out and you need to bypass it, this belt was purchased from Advanced Auto Parts. Hope this helps. Go ahead and subscribe and like. Thanks. Alright, this is what it looks like once the belt has been installed and the car's running.